Right now, our wellness coaching website has a pretty boring hero section. Let's see how, in just a few clicks with AI, we can turn it into a beautiful, engaging slider that instantly upgrades the whole design. From the WordPress dashboard, I'll install and activate Depicter. Once it's activated, I open the Depicter dashboard and click on AI Slider. Now I press Start to begin. Here we need to choose a category that's closest to the subject of our slider. Since I'm working on a wellness coaching website, I'll choose Health and Medicine. Then I click Next. Now it asks for the website subject. I type Wellness Coaching. Next, I select the number of slides I want the AI to create. For this demo, 3 slides will be perfect. Then I hit Next. Now, the AI gives us a list of keywords related to our subject. I just pick a few that match my idea best. After that, I click Next. Now the AI has generated complete content for the first slide. This includes heading, subheading, main content, button label. I can edit any of these fields if I want to customize them. For images, the AI has also searched stock photos related to my subject. I browse through the results and pick the one that fits best. Then I move to the next slide. For the second slide, I decide to change the image search query to get a more accurate result. Again, I select the image I like. Then I go to the third slide, select the image, and once I'm done, I click Next. Here, I can pick a color scheme for my slider. Then I choose a template to set the overall layout and design. After that, I press Next. And that's it! Our AI slider is ready. I click Preview to see the result. Looks amazing. You can also see that when I click on the phone and tablet icons, the slider is fully responsive. Now I open it in the editor. From here, I can make any changes I want. For example, adjusting the color of shapes and background elements to match the website. Changing the font of the main heading so it's consistent with the website's branding. Once everything looks good, I hit Publish. On the home page, I click Edit. I remove the old hero section, add the Depicter widget, select the slider I created, and then press Save. Our homepage has transformed from a boring hero section into a much more engaging and professional design. And all of this was done in just a few clicks with AI. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more AI-powered tricks in Depicter, check out the links in the description below.